pollution of the environment by untreated municipal solid waste is one of the major problems of our society. In 10 years, the municipal solid waste production by each Frenchman has doubled and has reached 1 kilo per day per inhabitant. The increasing accumulation of our waste in tips is an essential cause of the water table's contamination by the infiltration of rainwater. Their treatment by incineration generates atmospheric pollution and additional expenditure of energy. Composting processes generate pollution and bad odors. Furthermore, the decomposed matter obtained by this process cannot be cleaned of many undesirable components. After several years of research, the French company RSU Industry has just finished developing the Oxalor process. Oxalor is the only process in the world that enables municipal solid waste to be treated and recycled from its raw state without any pre-sorting phase. The Oxalor process enables us to give back to the earth what it has given to us. The final product obtained by this recycling, this gold of our dustbins, is oxium, a high-quality additive for agriculture. In addition to these advantages, Oxalor also solves the drawbacks of selective collection, whose efficiency rarely exceeds 20%, and enables existing tips, currently saturated, to be rehabilitated.
The problem in Ireland at the moment is that we are running out of landfill space. We don't have landfill space. Therefore, we're looking at other ways to treat our waste. So in Oxalor, the process treats the household waste, for instance, and gives us an end product that we can sell on. And the fast turnaround also in the Oxalor process means there's no storage. And because Ireland has no incinerator, it's not an option, so we cannot look for incinerator. We must look to treat our own waste. Ireland at the moment exports waste because we don't have anywhere to put it. So this is an ideal system to treat our own waste in-house and not to be dependent on another country. That we can do it and we have a product then to sell. So that makes it all worthwhile.
The loading of raw waste. The tank has a movable base, which enables the waste to be moved to an endless screw for transfer to a mixer. The mixing of the waste in this mixer allows to open the bags, waste homogenization. To this mixed mass is added a reagent based on quicklime and other additives, as well as the aqueous solution required for the natural reaction of the quicklime. This natural reaction starts rapidly, according with very precise parameters of the quicklime used. Waste containment. The whole mass is then transferred by a feed belt to a confinement caisson, which we call a thermoabsorber or thermoreactor. This step is the core of the process reaction. By the action of the quicklime and the mineral and natural additives, the organic material in the waste will be subjected to combustion and then dried in a manner that is 100% natural and without the need for any outside energy. The increase in temperature of the mass treated will also permit to sanitize all this waste by stopping the development of bacteria. The reaction takes about 2 hours with 0% of gaseous or liquid residues. This desiccation enables the organic part to be separated from the non-organic part, and it can then be recovered by classic refining procedures. The refining and sorting of dry waste. The other treatment methods for municipal solid waste require the pre-sorting of the waste. This type of raw waste is humid and mixed together. which makes it very difficult to separate it by mechanical means. That is why the best automatic sorting processes are not better than 50% efficient, which returns 50% of the untreated waste to the tip. One of the innovations of Oxalor process is that the waste is sorted after the thermal reaction phase, that is to say, once the waste is dry and hygienic. Thereby, by sorting out the organic part, it becomes easy to get back to the non-organic elements: plastic, glass, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, fabrics and paper, and to sort these various types of waste in order to recycle them. Over there, we have light plastic to crush to make fuel. Here, there are plastic products that have already been crushed, which serve as fuel. And here, this is the product of raw waste. You have batteries that are unaffected. Does the quicklime attack them? No, they are left in the same state as they enter. The organic waste is then very rapidly recycled, without any gaseous or liquid residues in the atmosphere. The refining and sorting of dry waste. All the recycled non-organic part is got back for being used by specialist companies. The non-organic part, which is currently not recycled, is made up of waste that is completely stabilized and non-polluting, so it will be possible to use it after crushing, in building or road making. By getting back through quicklime, nearly all the organic part contained in our household waste, the Oxalor process creates an organocalcic lime that may be used very profitably in agriculture. Because of its mineral composition, the product is above all an excellent liming material for soil and can be considered as an agricultural lime with between 33 and 38% of CaO. It is also an organic soil improver with high organic matter content, 25 to 35% of the dry matter. The advantages of this lime are an answer to the increasing need in stable organic matter for soils, an environmental solution. They are sanitized, stable, and odorless product, a sustainable strategy, easy to handle and stock.